A dance of death, already in motion. The secretary bird circles, its wings unfurled like a great feathered shield. Beneath it, a king. The cobra rises, its hood flared in a desperate golden warning. In this arena, patience is not common. It's strategy. The bird keeps its head high, eyes locked on the cobra's face, reading tiny shifts. The sway of the hood, the tightening of the coils, the minute twitch that betrays intent. The cobra reads back, tasting the air, tracking heat and movement, searching for the one mistake that turns a hunter into a casualty. The bird strikes. Not with talons, not with a bite, but with long, dinosaur-like legs built for impact. Rhythmic, hammering stamps land with brutal precision. But targeted blows meant to stun and disorient. The cobra whips and folds away, trying to keep its head protected, trying to keep its timing intact. The snake sways, weaving a hypnotic pattern, body flowing like a drawn bow. It only needs one opening. One clean line to living flesh. One strike. But the bird is already moving, always moving. It never stays where the cobra expects it to be. The secretary bird isn't just fighting a cobra. It's fighting the cobra's aim. Peering through the feathered canopy, the bird aims for the head, always the head. Because against venom, there is no room for good enough. Its beak isn't just a tool. It's a needlepoint instrument of decision. To kill a king, one must be flawless. To lose is to be claimed by the very venom you seek to conquer. The cobra begins to lose its rhythm. Its hood still flared, but its controls slipping with every second. Steel legs dropping like hammers. A stamp crashes down near the head. Then another, forcing the snake to recoil mid-strike, its aim shattered before the fangs can find flesh. The cobra surges closer than before and finds purchase. Its heavy coils lash out and wrap around the bird's legs, tightening like ropes. The secretary bird fights the pull with pure control. One leg braced, the other working. Wings spread wide to counterbalance. It keeps its head away from the strike zone. Neck taut, eyes burning with focus. Panic would be fatal, so it doesn't panic. Suddenly, a violent reversal. Not the body, not the tail, the head, where danger lives. The grip is immediate and decisive, a clamp that denies the snake its weapon. The cobra's body whips in the air, a broken ribbon of scales, trying to twist free, trying to rethread itself back into control. But the secretary bird uses the ground like an anvil. It thrashes the serpent against the earth, again and again, Powerful swings meant to disorient and weaken resistance. A final shudder. The king has fallen. The secretary bird claimed the burden, lifting the heavy body carefully in its beak. Wings spread wide, catching the air. One strong beat, then another. The tall hunter leaves the ground, ascending with steady effort, carrying proof of victory into the open sky.